Hello everybody, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The following presentation has been produced by Health, formerly known as Worcester Street Surgery. This is the second video in our series designed to help explain how and when to check your blood pressure. This video is primarily aimed at individuals taking advantage of our online blood pressure service, but the information contained within it is going to be useful for anybody wanting to check their blood pressure at home. There is often no correct answer to the question of how often should you check your blood pressure. Some people like checking it on a regular basis. Others find that checking it too regularly can increase anxiety about the readings that they are getting. As a general rule, it's recommended that blood pressure should be checked about twice a year, and in reality this equates to about once every 6 months. If blood pressure is normal during these review periods, then additional checks are rarely needed. Sometimes we do ask you to get blood pressure checks more frequently, and this is often because blood pressure isn't a target or that things have changed. For example, you've been unwell. And in these situations, there may well be an advantage in checking your blood pressure more frequently. For those undertaking our online blood pressure service, you will be reminded via an email when your blood pressures should be measured. So what do we mean when we talk about a review period? Essentially, each review period lasts for 1 month and will often be a calendar month. If this was your review month, you would be sent an email reminder on the first of that month to remind you that we would be requesting some blood pressure readings during this month. Once you have received this email, then the software will allow you to submit the readings. We will ask you to pick a week during which you intend to measure your blood pressure, and for those who are not taking part in our online blood pressure service, it's at this point where all the relevant information is also applicable to yourself. Once you've decided to pick your week, and just for example, we've used the week beginning the 12th of January, we'd like you to pick at least 5 of the 7 days during which to check your blood pressures. However, if you're doing this as part of our online blood pressure management service, we do ask that you check your blood pressure on all 7 of the days. On each day, we'd like you to pick 2 different times during the day to check your blood pressure. These are known as sittings. The reason for this is that blood pressure can fluctuate throughout the day, and we want to make sure that we get a good cross-section of readings. During each sitting, we'd like you to check your blood pressure on 3 occasions, with at least a 1-minute gap in between. This means that for each day, you will in effect be collecting 6 blood pressure readings. And if you are using the online blood pressure service, then we'd ask you to add them directly onto the software. If you're watching this because you're just checking your blood pressure readings at home for your own interest, or because we've asked you to do so, then you can fill in a home monitoring form which can be downloaded from our website. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.